Welcome to Dhriti's Dream World. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Vibrant. Vibrant. Meaning: full of energy and enthusiasm, bright and striking. Example: the city's vibrant atmosphere was infectious.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Wholesome. Wholesome. Meaning: conducive to or suggestive of good health and physical well-being. Example: a wholesome diet includes a variety of fruits and vegetables.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Zenith. Zenith. The highest point reached by a celestial or other object, the point in time when something is most powerful or successful. Example: the singer's career reached its zenith with a chart-topping song.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Blissful. Blissful. Meaning: extremely happy and content. Example: the vacation was a blissful escape from everyday life.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Cozy. Cozy. Meaning: giving a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. Example: the fireplace made the room feel cozy on a winter evening.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Delightful, delightful. Meaning, highly pleasing and enjoyable. Example, the garden was filled with delightful flowers.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Enchanting. Enchanting. Meaning: delightfully charming or attractive. Example: the fairy tale had an enchanting storyline.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Frivolous. Frivolous. Meaning: lacking in seriousness or importance, carefree and not serious. Example: the frivolous conversation lightened the mood.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Gleeful. Gleeful. Meaning: full of high-spirited delight and joy. Example: the children were gleeful during the holiday festivities.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Inquisitive. Inquisitive. Meaning: eager to learn or curious about various things. Example: the inquisitive child asked a lot of questions.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Jolly. Jolly. Meaning: full of high spirits and good humor. Example: the jolly old man brought laughter to the party.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Majestic. Majestic. Meaning: having grandeur, beauty, or dignity. Example: the mountain range had a majestic presence.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Nimble. Nimble. Meaning: quick and light in movement or action. Example: the nimble fingers played the piano with precision.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Oasis. Oasis. Meaning: a fertile area in a desert with water. Example: the oasis provided a refreshing break during the journey.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Piquant. Piquant. Meaning: having a pleasantly sharp and appetizing flavor. Example: the chef added a piquant sauce to enhance the dish.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Alluring. Alluring. Meaning: highly attractive and enticing, capable of arousing desire or interest. Example: the alluring melody captivated the audience.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Benevolent. Benevolent. Meaning: showing kindness and goodwill, desiring to do good for others. Example: the benevolent gesture of helping a stranger.
discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Diligent. Diligent. Meaning, showing careful and persistent effort in one's work or duties. Example, the diligent student studied for hours to excel in exams.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Gracious. Gracious. Meaning, courteous, kind, and showing goodwill toward others. Example, the gracious host made sure everyone felt comfortable.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Sagacious. Sagacious. Meaning, having or showing keen mental discernment and good judgment. Example, the sagacious advice helped them make wise decisions.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Fervent. Fervent. Meaning, having intense and passionate feeling or belief, fervently dedicated. Example, she was zealous about environmental conservation.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Xenial. Xenial. Meaning, hospitable and friendly, especially to strangers or guests. Example, the xenial host made sure everyone felt welcome at the party.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Yearning. Yearning. Meaning, a deep and earnest longing, often accompanied by sadness or melancholy. Example, his yearning for adventure led him on a journey.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Picturesque. Picturesque. Meaning, visually attractive, especially in a quaint or charming way. Example, the village was picturesque with its scenic landscapes.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Vivacious. Vivacious. Meaning, lively, animated, and full of energy. Example, the vivacious dancer captivated the audience with her performance.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Whimsicality. Whimsicality. Meaning, playfully quaint or fanciful behavior. Example, the whimsicality of the cartoon characters made the kids giggle.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Spectacularize. Spectacularize. Meaning, to make something appear more impressive or exciting than it is. Example, the magician knew how to spectacularize simple tricks to amaze his audience.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Nebulae. Nebulae. Meaning, clouds of gas and dust in outer space, visible as luminous patches. Example, through the telescope, the children marveled at the colorful nebulae in the galaxy.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Petrichor. Petrichor. Meaning, the pleasant, earthy scent produced when rain falls on dry soil. Example, after the rain, the playground was filled with the refreshing petrichor.
Discover a new word daily. Today's word is
Quizzaciously. Quizzaciously. Meaning, in a playful or teasing manner, especially when asking questions. Example, the teacher smiled quizzaciously as she challenged the students with a tricky riddle.